Okay, so welcome back to another video. In the last video I stated I would be doing a sound comparison against the Bose portable smart speaker and the Ultimate Ears Hyperboom. So I'm going to be doing that now. So I'll play about a minute of the song through the Hyperboom first, then the smart speaker, and you can skip through the video to compare them easily for yourself.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware.